Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to office.com.pk. This is your biology class and we are discussing about meiosis. We have discussed its phases and its importance, and today we will talk about the meiotic errors. What will happen if the meiosis is not as orderly as it should be, and what are the consequences? So there are certain syndromes that are associated with meiotic errors. We will discuss them one by one. So basically, meiosis is an orderly occurring phenomena, and it ensures that every phase will be finished appropriately. Okay. And it will ensure the proper ending of every phase. But sometimes it happens at any point the results, they are unexpected, and it will result in abnormalities. Any unexpectations will result in abnormalities. Okay. So one such abnormality is that chromosome non-disjunction. Chromosome non-disjunction means that chromosomes fail to segregate. Separate or segregate. Can you recall which phase is involved in the separation of chromosomes? Yes, anaphase. So at anaphase there will be some kind of abnormality, or at telophase, and they do not finish with equal distribution. There will be no equal distribution. So one cell will have less number of chromosomes and the other one will have the more number of chromosomes in the daughter nuclei. This will result either an increase and a decrease of the number of chromosomes, and ultimately it will cause serious physical, social and mental disorders. There will be an increase or decrease in number of chromosomes. Ultimately, abnormalities. So this non-disjunction can be autosome, or autosome means cells other chromosomes other than the sex chromosomes, and the sex chromosomes, especially X and Y. So some examples will be discussed. Today we will talk about first syndrome, that is Down's syndrome. The other name of this syndrome is Mongolism, that the patient who is suffering from this syndrome will look like Mongols with the specific Chinese like appearance. So it is basically happening in the autosomes. Autosomes, the chromosomes other than sex chromosomes. What will happen is that the 21st pair of chromosomes will fail to segregate. It will fail to separate or segregate, and as a result, one gamete will have 24 chromosomes and the other one will have 22 chromosomes. So when this gamete with 24 chromosomes will combine a normal gamete, it will give rise to not 46 but 47 chromosomes. And when you write it biologically, it will be written as 2n plus 1 or 47 chromosomes. Now this non-disjunction appears to occur in ova, especially ova means eggs, and eggs are the female gametes. It means that this disease or this syndrome is linked to female gametes, which are known as eggs or ova. This mostly happens if the female is at the age of 40 plus. Means if she is 40 years old, there are chances that for 40 years old there will be 1 in 1000. If her age is 45, then the chances if in teenage there will be chance of 1 in 1000. If she is 40, it will become 1 in 100, and if she is 45 plus, the chances are 3 times more. So the affected individual, the individual which gets affected as a result of this syndrome, will have certain specific characteristics. They will have a flat and broad face. Their eyes will be squint. Squint eyes means the contracted eyes. Just as in Mongols, if you have seen any movies of the Mongols, that of Genghis Khan, they look like Mongols. So they were Mongols. So their eyes are squint. They are just enough close. Their skins will be folded at the inner corner, and the tongue will be protruding. Protruding mean trying to move outside the mouth. They will be mentally retarded. And as they are mentally retarded, so they will have a defective central nervous system. So this autosomal non-disjunction, this is happening in the 21st pair, but this is not restricted to 21st pair. It can occur in any other chromosome other than the 21st chromosome. Mostly the common one are the 13th and 18th chromosome, which will result in either in abortion or death at early age. So today we discussed about the Down syndrome. In the next video I'll talk about more syndromes. This is all about today. I hope you have understood the lecture. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Keep watching office.com.pk. Allah Hafiz.